In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung TV when it won't connect to Wi-Fi. Follow these easy methods to get your internet back. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your TV and router. Turn off your Samsung TV and unplug it from the power source. Unplug your Wi-Fi router as well. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug the router back in and wait for it to fully restart. Plug your TV back in and turn it on. Try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Method 2. Check Wi-Fi password and network. Go to Settings, Network Settings on your TV. Select your Wi-Fi network and make sure you enter the correct password. Double-check that your router is broadcasting the correct SSID network name. Method 3. Forget and reconnect to network. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, Network Settings. Choose your Wi-Fi network and select Forget Network. Then, search for the network again and reconnect by entering the password. Method 4. Update TV firmware. Go to Settings, Support Software Update now. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Then try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Method 5. Reset network settings. Navigate to Settings, General Network, Reset Network. Confirm the reset. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Method 6. Use Ethernet cable. If Wi-Fi still doesn't work, try connecting your Samsung TV directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. This helps determine if the problem is with the TV's Wi-Fi or the network itself. Thanks for watching. If these methods helped fix your Samsung TV Wi-Fi issue, please like and subscribe for more tech fixes and tutorials.